Hello, human beings on planet Earth. It is I, your master, the master, whatever the heck I'm doing. I don't even know. Whatever the heck. Today we are making a let's play of a really, really good game. Is it the best game? No. Is it a game that I would recommend to all fans of the series? Heck no! Well, non-fans of the series? Heck no! I would recommend it to all fans of the Sonic franchise. And I even still count it as canon, despite other people not considering this game to be canon. However, the small majority that is, because most people seem to like this game. Sonic Unleashed, aka the real Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric. Or as I like to call it, the better version. We're going to start right now. There's Dr. Robotnik. There's Sonic. To show off his CGI. Seriously, the CGI is Pixar quality.
You little... We're not getting away!
Just as cocky as usual. Nope!
Sonic! I'm sorry. Really, look, go easy on me. I'll turn over a new leaf, I swear. Just give me a chance.
Well, this is new. Showing remorse, Eggman? If you played nice, I wouldn't have to break all your toys.
Gotcha.
What?
Look at the hairs on his fur. Oh my gosh. honestly, the CGI is so good that it almost makes it look like it's done in live action, but it's not. I'm surprised no one mistake this for Final Fantasy. You can even see the veins on his head! Oh my goodness! They really put a lot of attention to detail. And here's the real Lyric. Or the better one. AKA... He's more commonly known as Dark Gaia. Sonic, feeling okay, dude? Okay. Oh gosh. Oh my god! Oh gosh!
A brilliant success! It's just as the Gaia manuscripts foretold! The entity that was sealed within the planet has awakened. Now I just need to harness its power. Eggman Land will finally come to be!
They really put their all into this. I bet it's because they thought this was going to be their last game.
Ah, Sonic, that's a good look for you. Festive. So long, friend.
Bye bye, Dark Gaia. Skipping the majority of that cutscene. Skipping the cutscene introducing Chip.
Here we go!
Now here's the gameplay of... Here's introducing the gameplay style of the real Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric. Or actually, no, I should say the better version of Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric. Released in 2008 for the Xbox 360, the PlayStation, and the Wii. I think it was the PlayStation 3 back then, but I'm not quite sure. Might have been the PlayStation 4. No, it was definitely the PlayStation 3. Because the 4 came out like at the same time as the Wii U and the Xbox 1. Anyway, that was it for the first stage. We're gonna do 2 stages in a row, and then after that, in the next episode, we're going to do a little something.
What do you figure that was all about? The hair, and those arms, and look at the Chaos Emeralds.
So, is this what you usually look like?
Yeah, this is the real me. Pretty cool, huh? Huh? Where'd you go?
Whoa.
Looks good, don't it? That there chocolate chip cream sundae supreme is the pride of the city. The whole world can come tumbling down, but they'll still line up for a taste.
Hey! What about your memories?
Chocolate chip sundae supreme.
You said it. Enjoy it, kiddo. Satisfaction guaranteed. If you don't love it, you get your money back.
Hey!
Oh,
He doesn't have money though.
love it.
I love the attention to detail though.
Wow, this chip whatever stuff is great.
You say so. How about you give me a hand and help look for somebody who knows you, Chip?
Yep.
Chip?
Gotta call you something, don't I? What do you think?
Yeah, Chip. Chip. I love it. Young.
Now, what do you say we start asking around and see if anybody here knows you?
Okay.
So yeah, that was the cutscenes. Allow me to show you around the hub world. Just so you can get familiar with the characters and every single NPC around here. You can destroy their objects, mess around in the city, and you don't have to do anything for these idiots. Here's the guy we were talking to earlier. We should make a show about this. Perhaps that gives Sega an idea. Explore all around here. It's really an amazing hub world. And best of all, it's small and confined. Yeah, Sonic Boom's the Sonic Boom released by Big Red Button had way too big a hub world even by Sonic 06 standards. Trust me, Sonic 06 had really weird standards for video games. Lovely things to say. See you later. This can kind of give you a little hint as to what you're supposed to do. Which is go on to the next stage. I just wanted to show you guys the hub world so you guys can get accustomed to it. Yeah, you can't go there yet. You have to go more in depth through the game. First, a little sneak peek of these small and confined places. Of course, you could go more places in the Werehog version. I'm just showing you what's around here first. Modern Sonic. Let's get into Act 2. The best thing about these stages is they follow Sonic rules when it comes to the gameplay style. Unlike the version of Sonic Boom released by Big Red Button,
Here we go!
this version has really fast-paced gameplay, almost no combat except for the Werehog stages. Yeah, all of those annoying knuckle sections. Yeah, Big Red Button added those in for people who loved the Werehog. But here's the version where you can just simply go back and collect your moon medals and sun medals. Trust me, you're gonna need them later on. You get a great sense of speed and agility, and you can go back to whatever part you want. You also have these little secrets if you want to go on a separate pathway. You can also look inside of all these boxes, behind the pots and pans to find if there's any crash into these to see if there's any. Here's how you can get that one up. Here's how you can get that room right up. Here's how you can get that room up. All the way back. Have the kick from Sonic 06. Luckily, we don't have the spin dash wrapped in the same button. But it would be cool if we had the spin dash and the boost at the same time. One awesome thing about the original version of Sonic Boom released on the Xbox 360 is that you could literally backtrack to at any point you want. Literally. So if you miss something, go back and get it. There's more skill involved in trying to grind on these rails. There's more skill and exploration involved. And it's overall just better experience than Sonic Boom. The big red version, button version of Sonic Boom. I really love exploring these stages because it's really good and you don't have to slow down whatsoever. This version of Sonic Boom is always the best. And best of all, you don't have to deal with redesigns. And another good thing is that there's only Sonic and Tails. You don't have to deal with Knuckles, you don't have to deal with anything. It's just Sonic and Tails, and they have their original designs from the adventure games in Europe. Nice sense of platforming, nice sense using the homing attack is a lot easier. Okay, we can get that. Here. A lot of differences between this and this version of Sonic Boom. That's more commonly known. Yes, the version of Sonic Boom that's more commonly known. Unfortunately, not a lot of people know about this version of Sonic Boom. Mostly because they just played the other version of Sonic Boom. But actually that's not true. A lot of people know this version of Sonic Boom, but they don't know it as Sonic Boom. They only know it as Sonic Unleashed.
Feeling good. Feeling good.
Easter egg. stump yet because you don't have the stump. That was the first episode. Catch you laters.